Ayurveda for health. Ayurveda is the most ancient science in the world dealing with the health, happiness and long life. Ayurveda shows as the way to be healthy, happy and contented for 100 years. It is a misconception that an overfed, robust or good-looking body free of any appearance element is the epitome of good health. It is only when the mind along with the disease-free body is contented and happiness, when one is free for anger, greed, malice, falsehood, avarice, records, violence, and others such view, when one wants not heart, others thought this action. A speech or even thoughts that the strikes for the well-being of all, as for a positive that individual can say to be totally head. Universe is made of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and the sky. All the objects of the earth and our bodies also composed of their 5 principal elements, Panch Mahabhut. The outer inverse function of the account of the balance between these elements. Any imbalance in the proportions for functioning of these elements cause matters, disasters like earthquake, famines, floods, and other climates, catching impends, infuriating to humankind. Simply, the imbalance of these elements which they are present in your body cause many physically or mentally disorder to the human self. These operations fact matter of your body are known as the tridosh of bats, wats, pit or caps. Ayurveda does not treat merely the body of the ailing persons, but also nurse her mind while dealing with an individual, her physical, mental, and spiritual state. The complete man is taken into consideration. Simply, when any medicine or the treatment is to be administered, its properties and quality as a whole are in to be considered rather than any on particular aspect and quality. The entire inverse functions according to the law of nature. Ayurveda teach us to live in the harmony which these law of nature. The principle again of Ayurveda is not we make both of the individual as well as the society happy or healthy, free for any elements or suffering. It is beneficial to rise early in the morning before sunrise. Remember, God will a prayer, may obeisance to the parents and your guru teachers. Pray God to bless you that no misdeed and bad thought may occur within you for the next 24 hours. Repeat this every day. Carefully containment the task you have to do during the day and plan them your properly. Adhar to the rule and guidance of the Ayurveda strictly and encourage others to be follow the same. Drink of and 2 glasses of cool water immediately after getting up in the morning. After getting up the morning, do not confuse everything is that then water for the first 3 hours. However, if you are the unwell and others medicine and should follow your physically instruments. Go for every morning walk regularly in the case of illness and the according to your physically instruments and others. Om Shanti, Om Shanti.